Today we're going to transform the standard form of an equation into slope-intercept form. So your steps: move the x term to the opposite side using the opposite operation, addition or subtraction, and then divide by the coefficient of y. That's the number in front of the y. And then from here you could identify the slope of the line. So here's our example. Solve the following equation for y, and then identify the slope of the line. So again, we're trying to solve for y to get this equation in slope-intercept form. So we want to isolate the y by itself on one side. So I'm going to move over the 15x. So the opposite of adding 15x is subtracting 15x. So I'm going to subtract 15x from the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the equation. So 15x minus 15x, that's 0. Those cancel out. So I'm going to cross those out. And then on the right-hand side, you have a 30, and then you have a minus 15x. Those are not like terms, so you can't combine them together. We're just going to bring them down. So we have 5y equals 30 minus 15x. Now, I'm going to rewrite this equation. I'm going to reverse the order. I'm going to switch the order of the 30 and the minus 15x. So I'm going to write the minus 15x first and then the positive 30. So from here, y is almost by itself. We have the 5 in front of it. The 5 is attached to the y by multiplication. So the opposite of multiplying is dividing. So to undo multiplying by 5, we're going to divide both sides by 5. So we're going to divide the left side of the equation by 5 and the right side. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times y is y, so we're left with just y on that left-hand side. So we're going to cross off those 5's. On the right-hand side, you need to divide both the negative 15x by 5 and then the positive 30 by 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6, and then negative 15x divided by 5 is negative 3x. So here's what I'm left with. Y equals negative 3x plus 6. From here, I can identify my slope because now my equation is in the form y equals mx plus b, which is your slope-intercept form. And the coefficient of x is the slope. The coefficient of x is that negative 3, which is highlighted in the equation in green. So I could say the following. The slope of the line is negative 3. And that concludes the example.